Hi, I'm Amana Azur. I'm staffing specialist with TemPositions Health Care. We're looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for medical assistants. A few responsibilities include greeting and bringing patients from the waiting room to the clinical area, maintaining timely patient flow by assuring patients are properly prepared for their scheduled visit, performing preliminary physical tests such as taking blood pressure, weight, temperature, and reporting patient history summary, and maintaining inventory and ensuring proper upkeep, cleaning, and testing of medical equipment and supplies. If you have graduated from an accredited medical assistant training program, have 1 year of medical assistant or secretary experience, and basic knowledge of medical terminology, you could be a great fit for this role.
So we are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.